everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am back with one more very sweet video for you guys today. So today Sinful Temptations, which is by Shubhra Kenkre, has sent me their delicious and amazing looking cupcakes, and let's not miss this very good looking box. They are box of brownies. Let me tell you, each brownie inside of this box is different and each cupcake is different. So I cannot wait to try it out. Let's start with the video. So guys, the first cupcake that I'm going to try is this Nutella cupcake. Okay, the moment I opened these boxes, it smelled so good that I just wanted to eat them as soon as I could. So yeah. Guys, I know it's Nutella, but it tastes like melted dairy milk chocolate. I mean, the frosting, I have no words for this frosting. It's really very good, and the cake, couldn't get most of the cake. I just got the cream in my mouth. One bite in this cupcake and I could guess that all the ingredients used are like the best, the finest, something that a professional, a very high professional baker would use. Like those ingredients are used in this cake, I can guarantee you. And I really love this cake. I mean, this one is extraordinary and you guys should definitely order yourself this Nutella cupcake. So guys, the next cupcake that I'm going to try is this vanilla cupcake. And look how beautifully frosted it is. Let's give it a try. A vanilla cake and a vanilla frosting. I'm liking it already. A classic vanilla cupcake with a classic vanilla buttercream. The vanilla just gives the kick on your palate. Wow. So guys, this is that kind of cupcake which you eat and you cannot speak anything about it. The only thing that you can do is best. And I really love the taste of vanilla, so this one gets a big thumbs up from me. Let's move on. So guys, the next cupcake that I'm going to try is this caramel vanilla cupcake, and I'm already loving the name because it's got caramel in it. Let's give it a go. Again, it's a simple classic vanilla muffin. Let's try the frosting. It reminded me of the toffee that I used to have as a kid. I forgot the name. So guys, this muffin is very flavorful and yummy, and it tastes like Nutty's candy. If you have tried Nutty's candy, it tastes like that, and also it has some caramel stuffed in the middle of the cupcake. So I'm just going to poke my finger in it and eat it. This caramel is seriously very good.
Super delicious to die for. I mean,
wow. Shubhra, I love this cupcake. I mean, the best. Alright, so guys, till now I'm loving the cupcakes. So let's try the next one, which is the Choco Vanilla. Classic vanilla cupcake.
I'm just going to do
Wow. This combination of chocolate and vanilla buttercream is amazing. Thumbs up. Too good. I mean, even before I bite into the cake, I can tell you that this frosting is really good. Let's try the cake now.
Nothing can ever go wrong with some vanilla and some chocolate buttercream on a cupcake.
Yes, one of the best. My God, there's so much left to try, and yeah, I just cannot stop. Okay, let's move on fast. So guys, the next cupcake that I'm going to try is this chocolate cupcake with chocolate frosting, and it also has some nice golden and red glitter on top. This is the first time I'm going to be trying glitters. I mean edible glitter. So let's try it out. Wow. I don't know how, somehow I'm getting the taste of Cadbury in it. I don't know if it's there or no, but waiting. I love the way how this cake is frosted. It's a beautiful cupcake, beautiful looking cupcake, beautiful tasting cupcake. Beautifully, please order it, you beautiful guys. So guys, the next cupcake that I'm going to try is this one. I'm not very sure about the name, but if I find out, I'll put it over here so you guys will know. It's beautifully frosted. It has got caramel in between, so I'm guessing it's a caramel, salted caramel maybe. It's perfect. It's just perfect. Chocolatey, delicious. I mean, I really like how the frosting is done on this. It's very pretty, very pretty. The cake is soft, chocolatey, moist. It has it's salted caramel cupcake, guys, because it has caramel in between, in the center. I don't know if you can see it. Shubhra, I'm a fan. I'm seriously a fan of this. Please order this cupcake, and yeah, the rest of the cupcakes from Shubhra. I am linking everything in the description below. Like, order right now. So guys, that was the cupcakes. Now my favorite part, this brownies, and she has put them in this very nice fancy box. So I think it's a very good idea. You know, you can even gift it to someone, for someone special, or gift yourself
if you don't have anyone special. Or you can gift your family, your friends, your parents, your siblings.
Raksha Bandhan is close. You can give this to your siblings. Let's try it out. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Just look at this. Let's jump in. Okay, so this one is a walnut brownie, like Sinful Temptations, great going. Let's try it out. A classic walnut brownie, you know, a classic walnut brownie. I have like no words for this. It's like crispy layer, fudgy in the middle, very well, perfectly baked. And I'm giving this brownie 2 thumbs ups because I loved it. Okay, so let's move on. So guys, the next brownie that I'm going to try is the Ferrero Rocher brownie. And I think there is a Ferrero inside. I don't know. Let's.
My mouth's watering. I just want to eat it.
I love it. Just look at this. I mean, just look at the edge of this. It's like so perfectly done. Well done, Shubhra. I loved it. Alright, so guys, the next brownie that I'm going to try is the classic fudgy brownie. I mean, just look at the top layer. I already know that this brownie is a star. It was so soft to bite into. Perfect classic fudgy brownie. Yummy. So guys, the next brownie that I'm going to try is the chocolate overload brownie.
Super chocolatey, super soft, super fudgy, a super thumbs up.
I'm very much excited about the next brownie because it's salted caramel. Like, I'm already in love. Salted caramel. Let's give it a bite. Like, wow. It's our favorite, the Nutella brownie. I can already tell that she has drizzled Nutella on top. Wow, beautiful,
Superb, fantastic, awesome, everything.
You guys can order from Shubhra Kenkre from Sinful Temptations. I will link every detail in the description below. Go down with a DM or on Instagram, give her a call, order yourself one of these super delicious and pretty boxes of brownies, cupcakes. Like they are like really very amazing and well made with the best ingredients you could find. And yeah, so I think guys, my most favorite brownies was the salted caramel one, the Ferrero one. Actually all were my favorite, but if I had to choose only one, I would choose the salted caramel one, I think. And the cupcake, it's very difficult to choose from the cupcakes. I think I would choose all of them because I loved all of them. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video guys till the end. If you are seeing this, go down and smash that like button so that I'll come to know that you have watched the video till the end. If you'd like to show some support, please do subscribe to my channel. Order from Sinful Temptations. Thank you so much Shubhra for sending me this amazing, beautiful and the best brownies and the cupcakes. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.